Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving your favorite dish and your favorite meal. Anyway, today we make you a nice, lovely oven baked salmon. Serve with some beans or string bean. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe with a little bit of salsa on top of it. So enjoy it and subscribe to the channel. It's a healthy recipe which you can have at home on a daily basis. Enjoy and see you next time. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team. And remember one thing. Don't forget, if you got too much money, why don't help someone else? You can donate some to Chef Ricardo Studio. And also, the cookbook is online. And thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today we're going to make you a nice, lovely, healthy dish, which is going to be salmon and green bean or string bean. Right here, I got 2 slices of salmon. As you can see, I washed them off already. So basically, what I'm going to do is simple. Put a little bit of pepper just on it like this. And a little bit of salt, pinch of salt. Nice one. Some olive oil. That's it. You don't need to put anything else. And next is lay them in a piece of a grease-proof paper like this one right here, just like that, and just like that. The next thing what you need to do is to get the foil. Get some foil. Foil it like this. And like this. Alright, now we're going to put this inside of the oven for 12 minutes in the oven. I'm using gas mode 9 at the moment, so it's a really high temperature. If you're using a different kind of oven, 175 is good. For 12 to 15 minutes the least inside of the oven. So we're going to put this in the oven and I'm going to show you how you can make a salsa, and we're going to serve it with some string bean. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So basically right here I have some green beans which I'm going to be using also for serve that nice lovely salmon. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to simple have the string bean them like this, all, and then basically we're gonna put them off into some boiling water. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just prepping the string bean. So we're cutting off the edges them like this. So I'm gonna do all of them like that. Nice and lovely. So this is the string bean. It's finished now. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you how you can make a salsa for your fish. Alright, so first of all what you need to do is get 2 medium-sized tomato and just get rid of the skin like this. Nice one. So that's the part of the skin which we need. So basically then simple. Take a little time and fine dice it. Just like this. Put it straight inside of a bowl. So that's all we're gonna do with all of this tomato. Alright? Fine dice. Nice and lovely. So basically this is the tomato right here. Finish. Next thing we need to do is get 1 medium-sized white onion. Just gonna remove the bits off of it. After you do that, we're gonna use half of it. Alright? And simple. Fine dice. Straight inside of the bowl. Right here I have 3 sparks of spring onion, which I'm gonna be using also. As you can see, fine dice it just and if you have some parsley, they're really nice to put inside of it to give it a nice lovely color. Some coriander. Get 2 cloves of garlic. The best way to get rid of the trash from the garlic is just simple. Twist it 2 times and simple remove the trash like this. Very easy and simple, as you can see. Very easy to remove the trash from the garlic. Then we're gonna simple fine dice up the garlic also. Very finely chopped up. Straight inside of the bowl. As you can see inside of the bowl right here, this is the salsa which we are making for the fish. And what you're gonna do is just squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in it. Nice one. Then put some olive oil. Roughly a teaspoon of olive oil. Little pepper. And give it a nice lovely stir like this. Could add a little bit more oil. Roughly about 2 tablespoons of oil. Give it a stir. So basically, you got the garlic and also the spring onion, which is gonna bring a lot of flavor towards it. So that's what you're looking for. A nice, lovely salsa like this. Alright, then basically what we're gonna do now, since as we're done, we're gonna show you how to cook the string bean or the beans. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, now this is finished. Because you don't want to overcook them too much. You want to have that lovely green color. So once you see you change that nice lovely color, that's what you want to do. So we're going to strain off this now. Turn off the stove and we're going to throw off the water and show you the next level. Nice. So the best thing you need to do is to get the water start to boil. Then put your string beans straight inside of it like this. And let this cook for roughly about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright? Nice one. So basically I just pour it off and put back the front pan, put back the pot on the stove. Then basically what we're going to do is melt a little bit of butter inside of the front pan like this. And then put back the string beans straight inside of it like this. And give it a stir. Just to get some flavor from the butter towards the string bean. The next what we're going to do also is just pop a little bit of mixed herb. Bring in the flavor also. And pinch of pepper, not too much. Simply give it a stir. And get a lovely flavor from the butter and the herb. nice and lovely. So as you can see, the color inside of the pot, and that's what we're looking for. Exactly what we're looking for. So now this is finished, so I'm gonna turn off my stove. Now we're gonna take that lovely salmon from the oven, make you guys can see exactly, then we're gonna share it out. Nice and lovely. So basically, let's remove the foil, and that's exactly what you're looking for. So now the salmon is finished, and we're gonna share it out and make you guys can see exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. And the salmon is so beautiful, guys. But just look at this now. Alright? So basically the salmon is finished. We wanna share out this nice lovely meal today. I want you guys to see it's just a healthy recipe. So first thing we should need to do is to get that nice lovely bean on the plate like this. Nice and lovely, as you can see. To be honest, you don't even need the 2 pieces of salmon. Honestly, the 1 piece isn't enough. Then get nice lovely salsa and simple sprinkle on top of it like this. As you can see, then that nice butter from the which melted from the string bean, and simple sprinkle that all over it just to bring in a nice lovely flavor towards it. So that's really lovely and nice, guys, and I know you guys will love this one. Very easy and simple, and it's just a healthy recipe which you can prepare this one at home. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and thank you so much for watching my cooking show. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, as you can see the way it looking so lovely and nice. So hopefully guys you like the recipe, and please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. This is from Chef Ricardo. This is a full recipe for the fans which you can prepare this one at home. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming for you, and we have a lot more ideas where you can prepare at home. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team.